Hi guys, we're back for another video. As you can see, my baby's out there eating the salad stick we gave him, and the other one is just in the nest there. And then there's more here. There. There's all the budgie babies. So now, something exciting's happened here. We're slowly going to check, slowly. One of the babies is moving, they've cracked, it's moving, so it's going to hatch. Get her back in, get her back in. Right. Put her in. Right, she'll go back in soon anyway. Yeah, the left male, like the other male zebra. There's one of them, I think. So, yeah. So here's Emma and hers. Come on, Emma. Let's check Emma. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's got 4 eggs there. So that's good. And you can see the babies here of Suzanne's one there, wherever he is, and then Emma's too. So we'll check this couple. As you can see, there's a baby in there. Very big now. So that's really good. Go back in, darling. The zebra finches here. So, yeah. They've started building the nest. And I think they've got a few eggs, as you can see in the back there next to her. So we'll let her get on for that. And then, yeah, the cinnamon teal again, she's in the nest. So I'm just going to slowly put it there. She has 2 eggs, guys, 2 eggs. Come on, come on. Come on, she'll go back in soon, that's really good. The zebras, there's our original zebra couple, and we'll put another pair together. We're just waiting for them to get used to each other, and then we'll put a nest box in. So that's good. And then, this is Suzanne and her babies right there. So, as you can see, there's the one that looks like Emma, and then the other babies, and so that's really good. So guys, my little brothers just came in.
Hi.
And I know we've already showed you, but
these are my birds that have 2 eggs.
So he's very proud of that.
They are not the best couple though.
But they're quite good,
because they haven't had eggs for ages. And today is the day they've got eggs.
So she's one pick in the nest box there. That's really good. The zebras have a few eggs.
Suzanne is doing well.
Yeah, well, there's one of her babies out.
The one's probably gonna. She's got like 3 or 4 egg babies in that thing.
This is the one with the baby in there I showed you earlier. This is Emma's with hers. And as you notice, Suzanne's baby that looks like Emma has a more yellowy stomach. And Emma has just a browny stomach. So, yeah. Oh, look at my babies there. I think he's the older one. So I'll go inside and show you the golden finches. Yeah. Is that right, Emil?
They are mine. They're called a movie and Miriam.
So we'll see you when we're inside. Bye. So as you can see, the golden finches here. There is who, Mia?
Miriam.
Yeah, there's
She's
Miriam.
A female. That's a movie.
And they're in molts, so the feathers won't be as bright as normal, but they will get very bright after the end of it. So yeah. So bye guys, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye guys, like and subscribe.